Alright, Grandma, we gotta get a thumbnail.
You got a what?
Get a thumbnail.
Toenail.
Thumbnail.
Oh, go to mail.
Thumbnail. For the cover of the video. What is up, everybody? Hope you're all having an amazing morning so far. Right now, since you guys liked my grandma on the last video, got like 6,000 views, and I'm going back to see her. I'm gonna go take her out to lunch and have her give you guys some life advice. You know, she's been living for like 85 years. I've only been alive for 18, so let's see what she has to say. Also, here's a cold start for you guys. Not bad for a 4-cylinder. What's up, Grandma? The people loved you in the last video.
They did.
Yeah, you got like 7,000 views, I think.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm really famous.
Almost, we're getting there. Grandma, someone said you're an OG.
I'm an OT.
OG.
OG.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Original gangster.
I'm the original
Original gangster.
gangster.
Yeah.
That'd be the day.
Before I go, we gotta get one piece of advice from you.
Okay, what is it?
Business advice, life advice, whatever you want to give. Something you've learned that you want other people to know.
Something I've learned.
Yeah. Like just any piece of advice you may have.
To work hard and save your money.
Save it.
And go to church. Of course, maybe go to church first.
Yeah. What about patience?
About what?
Patience.
Patience.
I know we were talking about it a couple of days ago, and how a lot of young people are impatient.
Oh, they are. Young people are so impatient.
Yeah.
They want instant gratification.
There we go. Fancy
and
words.
Instant gratification is not always good.
Yep.
You really need to slow down a little.
Yep, and focus more on the details and long-term success. Alright, there's episode 1 of Life Advice with Grandma. Part 2 coming soon, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.